Okay, hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add gradient text in Canva. Okay, before you can do gradient coloration on your wall or on element directly that you have or on the paper that you have, but now it's extended to text as well. So assuming I have this text, I can select both of them and I want to make a gradient coloration to them. I can just come over to text color over here, and then you can come straight to the plus sign over here, and then you can come to gradient. Now by mere clicking you can see it has changed based on these two colors. If you have the option, you can change the coloration if you want to. You can move things around and you can increase or play around with the coloration directly, or if you need to add a different color to this, you can as well do that. All right, so let's say we can move things around and you can make it a bit lighter if you want to. Right, so you can see, and if you want to add another gradient color, you can choose, and then you can be able to play around with it and see to what extent it is going to give you a different coloration. And I think this is kind of nice to this. If you have a specific color, you can use the color picker to pick that color directly and add. So this is wonderful. So it's a major update by Canva, and if you are free to go ahead and try it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.